In this lesson, you will learn how to share your Google Drive folder or edit sharing capabilities within Google Docs. Let's start by opening Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, open up your folder. Once you have a folder open, please select the folder name and then select Share. When the Share window opens, you have two options. You can select Get Shareable Link and share the link any way you'd like with others. The other option is to type the email addresses of the people you wish to share the document with. If you want your shared guests to only view, or if you want them to be able to edit or comment, you'll need to adjust their settings. You can do this before you click Share in the image above, and then select Send. Now, here you'll notice because I'm sharing with somebody that does not have a Gmail address, then they would not be able to edit. So if you send the link, then anyone can view it without actually having to log in with a Gmail account. Now let's try editing capabilities from a Google Doc. Let's go ahead and open our document. And you'll notice when it's open that you have this bright blue share button. Now here you'll have the same options. You'll see that you can share with the shareable link, or you can type the email addresses and send as well. Once you have people that you've shared the document with, you can always edit by clicking on the pencil editing button, and you can select what capabilities you wish the shared users to have. And you can edit these at any time, even after you've already shared the document. Now you know how to share your folders and documents with colleagues, friends, coworkers.